Please unmute yourself, ma'am.
I'm unmuted.
No, Ms. Velasco. That's what we're doing right now. You can mute yourself, Ms. Corey.
I'm sorry, I can barely hear you.
All right, Ms. Velasco. This
Yes.
is cause number 2021-30807. In the interest of Ethan Velasco, please raise your right hand to be sworn. Right hand.
Sorry.
You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Okay, my name is Erica Velasco. I'm his mother.
All right, and representing Attorney General, State of Texas.
Luis Regla.
Court will note that Christopher Salgado is not present. Was he personally served, or did he just file a request for court hearing?
Just a request for court hearing, Judge.
All right, the court will note that he filed a request for court hearing, which was filed on July 26, 2021. And he was given notice of the order setting hearing by certified mail for this Zoom hearing today, which was delivered on actually July 16th.
Yes, Judge.
That was before he filed the request for court hearing. All right, well, we'll accept that. So we'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. I'll start by calling the mother, Miss Velasco.
Yes, sir.
All right, and the child in this case you have with Christopher Salgado is Ethan Matthew Velasco, a boy who was born August 14th, 2013. Is that true?
True.
Okay. And going forward, you're requesting, along with the state, that both you and the father be appointed joint managing conservators of the child and the father to get the regular schedule of visits. Is that true?
True.
Okay. So we don't have proof today of what kind of money Mr. Salgado makes. Therefore, we're going to use minimum wage for all the calculations for child support and medical support and dental. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is Mr. Salgado's only child. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay. And although you've attempted to get enrolled in Medicaid, you weren't able to. So going forward, you're going to try to buy your own private health insurance on the insurance marketplace. Is that also true?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that once again?
Yes, there is no Medicaid, right?
No.
Okay, so going forward, you're going to try to get your own insurance for health insurance and dental insurance, private source. Is that true?
That might be responsible to get my child private insurance.
Yes, and dental insurance, correct?
He was gonna pay for that, right?
Yes, we are going to that next. You're requesting the court order him to pay $56 a month
Okay.
to you for
Yes.
the private insurance and $10 for private dental insurance. Is that also correct?
Correct.
Okay, and both of those to begin September 1st, 2022, correct?
Correct.
And using minimum wage calculations, you're requesting a child support of $215 a month, also to begin September 1st, 2022. Is that true?
True.
And the two of you have been separated since at least May 24th, 2017, correct?
Yeah, it was back. It was 2014.
Okay, so at least since 2017. That's true then.
Okay, yes, true. I'm sorry.
Okay, and since May of 2017, through today's court date, we don't have proof of the father's income, where he was working or how much money he made. Is that correct?
Correct.
So for that time frame as well, you're requesting child support be based on minimum wage, correct?
Correct.
And he didn't give you money for child support since May of 2017 through today's date. Is that true?
Correct.
So using minimum wage guidelines for child support from May of 2017 to today's court date, that adds up to $13,760. And we're asking the court order Mr. Salgado to pay you $175 per month beginning September 1st, 2022 for back pay and child support, correct?
Correct.
And do you believe that this court order is in the best interest of your child?
Yes, true.
And are you asking the court to grant this default order against Mr. Salgado?
True.
Okay, Judge, I'll pass the witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You can disconnect now. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, Ms. Gorey, you need to unmute yourself, please.
Yes, sir.
This is cause number 2020-73717 in the interest of Keshawn Turner. Please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Please state your name and your relationships to the child, ma'am.
Crystal Gorey, I'm his mother.
All right, and representing the Attorney General of the State of Texas.
Luis Regla.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Kevin Ray Turner. Mr. Turner was personally served on May 18th, 2022 at 6:01 p.m. at 107 Crestwood Drive in Monroe, Wachita Parish, Louisiana. And he has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That's correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. I'll call the mother as a witness. Ma'am, the child in this case is Keshawn Ray Turner, a child that you had back in September 19th, 2010, with the father, Mr. Kevin Ray Turner, correct?
Yes, sir.
Although he now lives in Louisiana, did he used to live here with you and the child a long time ago?
Yes, sir.
In fact, how long ago was it that y'all used to all live together here in Texas locally?
2011.
Okay, so he moved, or y'all separated at least about 11 years ago, is that correct?
Right.
And how old is your son now?
11.
So it was about the time your son was born, y'all separated?
Right.
Okay, and is that when he went to Louisiana?
I don't really know.
Okay, there was sometime after y'all used to live together as a family, correct?
Right.
Okay, and does he ever see your son?
No.
In fact, when's the last time he saw your son?
2 months before he turned 1, 2011.
Okay, did he come down here to visit or did y'all go up to
Mm.
Louisiana?
No,
Or how did he see your son when he was
he
1?
did.
Okay, so you're saying that's the last time you actually saw your son?
Right.
Okay,
2
does he
months
ever
before
call
his
or
birthday.
anything like, does he ever
No.
call or anything like that? You said no?
No.
Okay. And today, we're requesting the court go forward then and order that both you and the father, I'm sorry, that you be appointed as the sole managing conservator of your son, correct?
Correct.
And that's basically based on that he has been absent father for the last 10 or 11 years, correct?
Correct.
He's chosen to not involve himself in your son's life, and any decision how to raise him or take care of him in any way. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay. Does your son ever ask about the father or want to speak to him or anything like that?
No, he just recently started asking.
Okay. And so going forward, since your son is also asking about it, and if the father chooses to start having visits with your son, would you be open to that based on this modified schedule of visits that we included in the order?
Yes,
Okay, and basically the way that would work is he would get 2 supervised visits from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., first, third, and fifth Saturday, supervised by you or someone you pick, 2 visits, no longer supervised for the same time frame, 2 visits, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and then 2 visits overnight, Saturday to Sunday, before the father could get a regular schedule of visits. Would you agree with that?
yes,
Okay, and we were actually able to verify directly from Mr. Turner's employer that he is earning money now at average of $2,784 per month gross income, correct?
correct,
As far as we know, your son is the only child the father has a court order to support.
correct,
And so using a guideline child support based on 20% of net income, we're requesting today the court grant the medical support of $125 a month beginning September 1st for Medicaid. Is that correct?
correct,
That would leave using guideline child support, $452 to begin September 1st, 2022. Is that right?
yes,
However, as far as back child support goes, if we look back 4 years from when this case was filed to September of 2018, we don't have proof during this time frame of what the father's average monthly income was going back to September of 2018, correct?
correct,
So for that time frame, September 2018 to today's court date, using just minimum wage for one child, that would total child support of $10,944 as of today's date. Is that correct?
correct,
We're requesting the court order a monthly payment of $105 to begin September 1st, 2022 against this father. Is that true?
correct,
In regards to your address or phone number, you're requesting that it be kept confidential, but it says to a third party, not Mr. Turner in this case, true?
correct,
Okay, so you're fine sharing your information with Mr. Turner, just asking that it not be included in today's court order because of those other third parties. Is that true?
correct,
And do you believe that this court order is in your child's best interest?
yes,
And are you asking the court to grant this default order today against Mr. Turner?
yes.
Judge, that's all I have. I'll pass the witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank